How to unmute microphone on Zoom in Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unmute your microphone on the Zoom app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Zoom app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. From here, you can see the option labeled as meetings. So simply tap on that. And now here in this section, you'll see option that says mute my microphone. So if it is activated, your microphone is muted. And to unmute it, simply toggle off that option. And once you do that, it will be deactivated. This means you are now in unmute mode and ready to speak. And that's it. Now you have successfully unmuted your microphone on Zoom. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.